Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the art of decorating a transitional design living room. Transitional style effortlessly blends the best of both worlds, traditional and contemporary elements. Join me as we transform this blank canvas into a harmonious and inviting space. To start, let's lay down an area rug. This will anchor the room and define our seating area. Choose a rug with a subtle pattern that complements the color palette. Now, let's arrange the main pieces. Begin with the sofa as the focal point. Flank it with a pair of armchairs for balance. Place a coffee table in the center, allowing enough space for comfortable movement. Add character by placing decorative items on the coffee table and side tables. Use books, trays, and vases to create an inviting and curated look. Integrate a console table against a wall for both function and style. Display artwork and mirrors above it to add depth and interest. This is also a great spot for table lamps to provide ambient lighting. Now, let's turn our attention to the bookshelves. Mix books, artwork, and personal items for a personalized touch. Remember, it's all about striking a balance between open and closed storage. Incorporate a media console if needed. Keep your electronics tidy while displaying decorative pieces that tie into the room's aesthetic. Add coziness with throw pillows and blankets on the sofa. Choose fabrics that complement the color scheme and introduce subtle textures. Enhance the windows with curtains or drapes. Opt for neutral tones to maintain the transitional feel. These window treatments soften the space and provide privacy. Time to shed light on the subject. Place floor lamps near seating areas for a warm ambience. Table lamps on side tables and the console table provide both light and style. If you're lucky enough to have ceiling beams, highlight their beauty. Architectural molding, like crown molding, adds a touch of sophistication to the room. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated transitional design living room that balances tradition and modernity. Remember, the key is harmonizing elements for a timeless and inviting space. Thanks for joining me on this decorating journey.